What's up guys, Akos here from ATechFlow. Today we are taking a full look at some of the best protective cases for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra from SUPCASE. Right now I'm using a dummy S26 Ultra model, but these cases are already available and pre-orders are live, so you can get protected before your phone even arrives. In this video, I'll show you two of the most popular models, the UB Grip series, which is my main focus today, and the UB Pro Max series for people who want strong magnets and full protection. Let's start with the SUPCASE UB Grip, which is designed for maximum durability and everyday comfort. This case features an upgraded airbag system and military-grade drop protection with up to 20 feet or 2 meters of drop resistance thanks to its TPU and PC hybrid structure. So this is built to survive serious drops and impacts. You also get this anti-slip textured back, which makes the phone much more secure in the hand. Even if your hands are sweaty or you're using it outside, it doesn't feel slippery. And one of my favorite parts is the multifunctional kickstand. It supports different viewing angles and it's been tested for over 55,000 openings, so it's built to last. It also doubles as a ring holder, which is great for one-handed use. Inside, you've got powerful N52 magnets with up to 1,800 grams, which is 1.8 kg, of holding force. So MagSafe accessories and magnetic charging work perfectly. I've got these cases in these colors: coral, cobalt, desert, and black. So you can choose between bold colors or something more minimal. My favorite is definitely the desert and the black. Alright, next up, let's talk about the UB Pro Max series, which focuses on full protection with a slimmer profile. This one uses a multi-layer protection system, including a front shell, main case body, and belt clip holster. You also get a replaceable double-sided shell, which adds extra flexibility. For protection, you've got a 2mm raised screen edge and a 15mm camera guard, so your display and lenses stay safe when placed on flat surface. The aluminum alloy kickstand supports multiple angles, from portrait mode at 30 to 65 degrees and landscape mode at 0 to 45 degrees. And again, it's tested for over 55,000 openings, so durability isn't a concern. Just like the UB Grip, this one also uses N52 magnets with 1,800 grams holding force, so wireless charging and magnetic mounts are rock solid. On top of that, you also get a 360-degree rotating belt clip with a 30-degree opening angle, which is great if you work outdoors or want hands-free access. Both of these cases are designed specifically for the Galaxy S26 Ultra, with precise cutouts and easy S Pen access. They don't block ports, buttons, or wireless charging. SUPCASE also include a 12-month warranty with hassle-free support if anything goes wrong. So which one you should go for? If you want maximum grip, color options, and rugged protection, go with the UB Grip. If you want full body protection, belt clip, and a more tactical design, then the UB Pro Mag is the better choice. Even though I'm using a dummy unit here, these cases are ready for the S26 Ultra and pre-orders are already live. I've put the Amazon links in the description, so you can check out the latest prices and the color options. If you are planning to get the Galaxy S26 Ultra, I highly recommend getting your case early. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!